So now in this part of the course, I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how you can actually start buying crypto, and you're going to be lucky enough to get a free $10 to $30 worth of crypto because I'm going to give you the link to this special account that you can open to start buying. And once you deposit $100 in there worth of like Bitcoin or different coins, the app's going to give you a free $10 or $30 worth of crypto. So you already get a pretty decent return on your investment to start. But anyways, we're going to get right into it and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. Okay, so next what I want you to do is, if you're inside the course, I want you to go to lesson 18, click on it here, and basically you're going to be brought to this page. And what you're going to actually do here is you're actually going to sign up and create an account using these specific links. Now the reason you're going to use these links is because if you use them, you're going to get a free amount of Bitcoin or crypto. So if you use this one right here, which is ShakePay, and this is for anyone that lives specifically in Canada, so if you use this and you buy $100 worth of crypto, you get a free $30 to use. And so this link is for anyone that lives in Canada, so make sure you go ahead and use this link and sign up. Now if you live anywhere else in the world, literally anywhere, so Europe, United States, Australia, anywhere, doesn't matter where, you will use Coinbase, which is this link right here. And with Coinbase you actually get a free $10. So once you buy $100 worth of crypto, you get that free $10. So the link is here so you can use it yourself. So make sure now what you guys do is click on the link depending on where you live, and then all you have to do now is just sign up and create your account, and that's all you have to do for now. And in the next video, I'm actually going to show you step by step how you can use these accounts, basically how to navigate them and how to actually buy Bitcoin and all those other coins inside the apps, and just show you a very easy step-by-step tutorial to follow. That way you can know how to use the account very efficiently. So I'll see you guys in the next part of the course.